step-by-step guide to creating your own blockchain and cryptocurrencies. Download and install the COTR app from either iTunes or Google Play. Swipe through the onboarding screen to learn about the app. Click the plus icon in the lower right-hand corner. Choose Add a Realm, then choose Generate Realm Keys and click Add. You've now created your own blockchain. Click the Edit icon next to the QR code icon. Upload a logo and icon for both light and dark versions of the app. If you don't upload custom images, a default COTR logo and icon will be used. Scroll down and enter your desired name for your blockchain and click Save. Click the plus icon again, but this time choose Add an Address. Then choose Generate Keys and click Add. You have now created an address. Click the last icon below the address to edit it. Now upload an icon for your cryptocurrency. Set your initial supply and maximum supply and number of decimals, and then click Save. Enter your desired name and click Save. You've now created your own cryptocurrency. Have your friends or customers download the app and join your realm, and then send them some of your newly created cryptocurrencies. To see all transactions happening on the COTR network, visit coinoftherealm.com/explorer. Integrate the COTR wallet into your website or mobile app for incentivization. Distribute your coins via crowd sale on Exelus's crowdfund platform, or trade any COTR coin on the Bull Bear Exchange. Now let's get started.